leaving the cabin in the woods. Because it's a family friend's home, I wanted to make sure that it was as spick and span as I possibly could get it. I've packed the van back up, and now all there is left to do is make sure all the windows and doors and everything is shut and locked and get on my way. So thanks to a family friend, I, in addition to my mom, was able to occupy this lovely, it's not even a cabin in the woods, it's pretty much a mansion in the woods. It was just everything I could have dreamed of. If you are not following me on Instagram, then you missed out on the mini mansion tour that I did. So beautiful, right? So beautiful. But that's okay, you can head over there now. The link will be in the description box below, and hit the highlight called Colorado. This was my workstation for the last week and a half. I had this lovely view. Bye-bye view. This lovely kitchen to cook out of. Make sure, ooh, I forgot my onions. Make sure the refrigerator is empty from all the things that I brought in. This is where my movie night took place. As you can imagine, with those open windows, it got pretty darn dark. The upstairs is where I slept. This is the formal dining room. Laundry, just making sure the doors are locked. I absolutely love that outside area. Although I didn't go outside and use that fire pit, head on over to my Instagram stories so you can see like how it's set up. This sitting area is one of many sitting areas with the fire pit. So great. All right, and this is the said cabin in the woods. How beautiful. All of this land. Good afternoon, guys. We are currently at a Mavericks. I drove 25 minutes to find this particular Mavericks because apparently no one has really listed the water fill up in Denver, Colorado. But thankfully, we now are getting water. It's gonna be a journey.
Is it dangerous?
I have no idea. Don't know how this is going to go going up here. There's a sign immediately as soon as we got on the road saying no vehicles over 30 feet. And the one that's coming down, that looks like it's over 30 feet. Look at that. They didn't follow the rules. I don't know what's going to be up here, but we still have 25 minutes left to get to our BLM coordinates. Lord. Shielding protect us. Smooth riding, Zion. Jasmine back there. I gotta put this down because I'm really kind of scared to go up this road. I should let go. I should let go. Finally made it to our destination, an hour and 2 minutes outside of Denver, Colorado. And although we had to play musical chairs a little bit, we picked an amazing spot with an amazing view. Unfortunately, there is a fire ban, although I do believe the people here before us put a fire on. I don't know if I'm going to be that brave and break the law tonight or not. But this view is absolutely amazing. There's Zion and Betty White, aka Jasmine's van. I don't know if I want to disclose it to you guys as of right now so you can enjoy the rest of the video, but this is literally Jasmine's and I last time camping together. So how do you feel? I told you he just been yapping for no reason. Annoying, just be yapping. I ain't doing nothing, just yapping. Why Ice is being such a good girl. Literally drove about 20-25 minutes off the main road to get to this particular spot. Every single spot that we have seen on the way up was taken by tent campers and van lifers. This is the last spot on this here road. I guess they weren't brave enough to brave the road. These feet look like we've been walking with Jesus. I ain't had a pedicure in over a month. Do you got signal?
No. Put my phone on airplane mode. Ain't no point.
Oh, there's no signal. I don't know if I kind of guessed it, but that's why we came on the weekend. And it's literally Saturday, so we leave tomorrow to go back to the city. So we can survive one night without service.
Or fire.
Oh my gosh. Them people, they ain't slick. They lit that fire down there last night. So we're just chilling right now. It's only 12:30 and we left Denver quite early at 8:30 in the morning. Oh my gosh, it was so tragic. But now we have all day to camp, as this is our last camping trip together.
Satisfying you and I keep bleeding. I don't know why I got you innocent.
So I'm beginning the process of making some nachos. That's what we'll have tonight. It's a good old hearty camping meal. Ice, calm down. Not coming up. It's gonna be in the way. It's just gonna be in the way. And I don't have time for in the way. Enjoy the smell. Ice loves cleaning the bed when I'm fixing any kind of thing. I just finished cooking the meat, and I'm going to layer it with the tortilla chip scoops, along with cheese. And now we're going to pop it into the air fryer for 15 minutes, and then hopefully it's good. And there we have it, folks. We have a little bit of rice, leftover rice, wild rice.
I don't know what I was supposed to prepare. Like, or bring.
Nothing.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Quite the sous chef.
Your eyes don't want to go home. She off leash. She got a little bit of freedom. She did not want to go home. You see that sour cream?
What color is it? Oh, this. You was pointing right here. Like, that's not sour cream. You literally were pointing right here.
I don't know. I said, do you see the sour cream? Do you see this? I don't know where I put it.
Okay. Life is so hard sometimes, you know?
I didn't tell you to.
I don't care. You didn't say not to. So I don't.
Huh? No.
Why?
Why you want to sit on the floor?
Some people just like to sit on the floor.
Well, you can sit on the bed, the stool. What, the fork or the spoon?
The fork.
I'll get another fork.
Got some more dishes.
Girl, get a fork.
Why are you so loud?
It's so silly.
Why?
Sit on the stool.
Then I gotta pull it out.
You know, she would rather sit on the floor or... It just don't make any sense. I might just like to eat on the floor. Check her. It's starting to rain out there. So, normally in this area, the rain doesn't last for long. But what we'll do, because we don't have any service, is read a book. It's a perfect time to read, right? Oh, the thunder. I hope I don't slide off this back of this mountain. I put my brake on, so we'll see, girl. We'll see. Guys, it is pouring down so hard right now. Like, can you hear it? It's really going. I'm a little scared because I'm on a hill and I'm a little slanted. I don't want to slide back. Although I did put up my emergency brake on. I don't know. Anything can happen. Oh, boy. That was such a good nap.
on, baby. Get your hurt to let you off a leash.
Guys, that was just such a phenomenal nap. I just knocked out. The rain just kept coming and coming, and the thunder. Guys, and so it begins yet again. The rain cloud. This rain is really putting a damper in our last camping experience. You coming, Gordita? Oh, that thunder, it is coming down. You exploring, you being an adventure dog. You being an adventure dog. Look at you, adventure dog. Nice. This view is like, it's just so beautiful. Y'all hear that?
It's not good. It's not good. Why are you laughing?
I want to see a bear.
I do.
Or a wildcat or something.
No.
I do.
Bear.
I want to see a wild.
They probably have bear cubs. Are you sure you're going, girl?
She be an adventure dog. Yeah, you be an adventure dog.
Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of.
Good morning, people. It's Sunday, and we got rained out the entire night. And I can't believe I slept. Again, after my nap, I went back in the van and slept again. Had some good sleep in there.
It's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high?
Give him body. Give him model. Let's give him Tyra.
Rather be on that way. Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane way, baby, we could go all night.
Good job, Ice Coco.
We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'm gonna fall like yo, leave, but we could go all night.
We got it.
Now all of my calls go to voicemail.
Look at my toes.
Raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail.
It'll be interesting to see how the drive is from the rain. All right, here we go. It was a rocky road on the way here, so I'm just guessing it's going to be a even rockier road on the way back because it rained all night. So hopefully we don't run into a challenge of the mud getting stuck in mud. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, oof, come on, Zion. Ooh, yikes. Mountains and mountains for days. Like, I promise, I love these states up here. Colorado, Washington, Montana, Wyoming, Oregon is one of my favorite states. There's just so much to see out here versus plain old Indiana, which is probably why I haven't really lived in Indiana full time in I don't know how many years. That's why I'm always on the go and adventuring to see where I want to settle down.
E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys on the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing